In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Ghibli-style images with ChatGPT. This process is simple, intuitive, and only takes a few minutes. Whether you're a fan of Studio Ghibli's enchanting worlds or you're just looking to inject some whimsical beauty into your projects, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive in. First things first, we'll need to open ChatGPT. If you're not familiar with how to access it, ChatGPT can usually be launched through your web browser. Simply find the official ChatGPT website and click to open it up. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials as you would normally. Don't have an account yet? Not a problem. Setting one up is straightforward and it'll just take a couple of minutes. After logging in, you'll see options to either create a new chat or open an existing one. This feature is handy if you've been working on some projects already and want to continue from where you left off. For our purposes here, feel free to start fresh with a new chat. It helps to have a clean slate, especially when we're focusing on creating something as specific as a Ghibli-style image. Now, with your chat window ready, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll find a plus icon. Click on this icon and you'll see a list of options drop down before you. Among your choices will be Create Image. This is the option we want, so go ahead and select it. This step jumps us right into the artistic realm of AI-generated imagery, especially when we're trying to emulate that characteristic Ghibli charm. Once the image creation tool is open, it's time to let your imagination run wild with your prompt. Utilize descriptive language that captures the dreamy essence of Studio Ghibli. Think lush landscapes, fantastical creatures, and ethereal lighting. You might say something like, a serene forest with shimmering leaves under a golden sunset, complete with a mystical creature peeking from behind an ancient oak. The more detail you provide, the more nuanced your final image will be. The AI will work to interpret these descriptions and bring them to life in a way that pays homage to the art and style of beloved Ghibli films. There you have it. In just a few minutes, by using ChatGPT and a bit of creative prompting, you've unlocked the ability to generate beautiful Ghibli-style images. I encourage you to experiment with different prompts, explore the countless possibilities, and most importantly, have fun bringing your unique visions to life. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating.